Hi, hello. This is the day 3 of the 100 days challenge of the English learning. So, in this video, we're gonna discuss on about the listening. Listening, how is the important for the English communications. So, yeah, we're gonna discuss on that. Do you know that some people are there not listening while speaking only, but they are struggling to understanding for someone speaking there that time there are not understanding someone speaking the English communication skills. So if you the listening different kind of the accents like the American accents and the Indian accents and the British accents. So if you listening the so many of the videos or the broadcast or movie, if you listening the so much of video, yeah, you can easily the listening it is important for that my reason. So do you know if you listening also, that is a makes helpful. Like if you listening the lot much, you can't you know the lot of the English words in my opinion. So if you reading the practice, that is also important, but the same time the listening also more than important. Don't wait for the perfect time when you listening or something else. So if you put on the effort, at least the per day, yeah, it is at least give to 10 to 15 minutes, that is enough. If you have the time, you can put in the a lot of effort in my opinion. So I am also a beginner, I am not fluent at the English, but I am also the trying to the communication, improve my communication skills. Like I have the confidence, so that's the reason I am take that video. I put on that social media. So if you that recording your own video, you gain the confidence. So that's the reason I am the take that video, and that is the put on the effort. So if you put on the your own video, your after you record that video, you are listening, that is a makes what you difficulty there in your while speaking, that is makes also helpful in my opinion. So I so guys, what I'm saying, you should listening, it is important, same as well you should the practicing. Like if you speaking the grammatical error or something wrong, don't mind, ignore that, because of if you know the mistakes, it is the learning point of view. If you do something mistake, yeah, you can easily the learning that word. So I'm also struggling some of the time, I know, but if you have the confidence, so the confidence when it is coming, if you the make mistake, after you gain some of the experience, after you get that experience, you after the expose your thoughts the someone. So in my opinion, don't wait for the perfect time. So I am also listening some of the YouTube channel, but she has a she have a beginner also, but in my opinion, I see her, he's continuously video upload the every day. So I am also inspiring that girl after put on the effect in this the session 100 days of the challenge. If I am also beginner, so we are together learning this communication skills. So yeah, in this video I discuss on that how to listening. So if you interest, like if you interest the how to say, if you interest to the watch like movies or cartoons or some different the crime scenes, which kind of movie are you like, yeah, really put on the effect to do, watch some content of the English content relate to that your interested topic. For example, if you interested the feel good movie, you watch the English or see the subtitle. That is makes also helpful, because of how is the word there are pronunciation. Yeah, you can easily ignore them or admire them. You can usually adopt that word. Yeah, if you using some word, it is frequently. Yeah, you can easily use that word. If you using some of the new word for in your mouth, it is the first time, it is the struggling. I know I'm also struggling the lot of word in the first time using. So in my opinion, do practice, or some of the friends, or there are that told me, or something that tell your English is the bad. So these are the ignore them, because of the every English speaker, there are initially so many struggles they are doing. So in my opinion, ignore that, be confident to speak. The practice is important. So I'm thinking in this video we're gonna discuss on that. So if you know anything else, or if you give some topics, yeah, please let me know in the comment section. I will make that video. So if you interest to the communication with me, yeah, please let me in the comment section. I'm also share the some of the link like Zoom Meet, or Google Meet. Like we gonna discuss on that, how to learn or something, or we gonna take the record that video, we can post on the this channel. So yeah, okay, bye. This video end.